you gonna raise your head super duper high? Yeah. You gonna try to come up high? Yeah. Yeah. You wanna see your toy over here? There you go. There you go. There you go. Good job, baby. Good job, baby. Good job, baby. Oh, good. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Look how high you just got. There you go. Oh. Yeah, there you go, baby. There you go. Good boy. Good boy, baby. There you go. Good job. Maybe try scooting this hand back a little bit too, huh? There you go. Good job. Yeah, you can't get closer to your toy, huh? It just seems to just stay really far away. He said, how come I'm not moving forward? This sucks. When do I get to crawl?